everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I'm here to show you what I did for my collaboration for the Christmas in July collab. It was co-hosted by myself and Tammy from My World in OKC and Sandra from Sandra Crafty Mom. And I will link those guys' channels below. This was open to anybody who wanted to make something. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, to show off what you made, then you can always just post a picture to Tammy's Facebook page, and I will link that below too. So I made this cute little guy here, and I'm going to flip it over here to my desk so I can show you up close what I did, and I think it turned out so cute. Okay, so I got this cute little birdhouse from Michael's, and this is the SKU number that was on it. It was 99 cents, and I had a coupon, and I got it for 74 cents. So I thought that was a really good deal. And they're just plain wood when you buy them. And then I just painted them with some of the Craft Smart paints. I used the red, the green, and the white. So I just painted the top green and the back red. I thought that would be real pretty, and it'll make a cute little ornament. Or you could hook it onto somebody's gift or something if you wanted to give it to somebody. Now these I got from, I think I ordered these from AliExpress. I have a whole bunch of these little snowflake things to decorate different things with. And these actually were buttons. They came in a pack of buttons that I got from Michael's, quite a while ago. But they still have all kinds of cute, excuse me, buttons there. And that's pretty much all I did. I just glued them on with a hot glue gun and just painted around. And I thought that was just adorable, and I can't wait to, I'm probably going to give this away as a little gift to someone this year for Christmas, and I'm sure they're going to love it because they're just so adorable. Look at that little snowman. Isn't he sweet? They have such cute buttons there. But that was my little project that I did for the Christmas in July collab. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I can't wait to see what everybody else made. And if you guys want to check out what other people made for this collaboration, you just type in the search bar hashtag Christmas OKC, and you should be able to see what other videos people have put up. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you all next time. Have a great day, everyone.